Sir, I am very much worried about this. I don't want this will spread like an epidemic throughout West Bengal, sir. Crowd management will be a problem, sir.
Right, right, right.
I don't want that in that close vicinity there would be a cluster parallelly as it is happening to the neighboring country. And you have restricted that to rash and negligent driving only. That is also to be taken into consideration, sir.
Well,
But if there has been a defiance, and this is not the way a civil society works, sir.
right. Right, now, well, this case relates to Radhapur University incident. Now, I shall just place before your Lordship not the FIRs which has been lodged by the police and FIRs which the police did not lodge on our complaint. Why and how? That is the entire thing which should be placed before the Honorable Court. I will kindly turn to the first suo motu FIR by the police officer. They also assaulted the driver using bricks. Furthermore, they vandalized the office, the union office, and other government properties inside the campus. Additionally, they set fire an office near Jadavpur University, gate number 4, and other government property. Complete silence about the injury caused to the students because of rash or negligent driving by the minister's car. All these allegations, which will not on prima facie reading source to be absolutely absurd and will not contradicted each other, were recorded. And this person's plot who had nothing to do with the university, they came there for a meeting, they know the name of all the students. Therefore, these FIRs were all Miller concocted, manufactured, and consecutive 7 FIRs were.
For the time being, this is a long-standing one. This will require affidavits to be gone into.
Yes, ma'am.
So far as the injured statement is concerned, page 44, which is by way of an email, why don't you register an FIR on that, sir?
Milord, I would require some time.
Counter version.
Milord, there is no counter version as of such except this.
Except the driving part,
Yes.
which was done,
Yes.
there is no counter version. So far as counter version is concerned, whatever right.
Let them give their details. We'll start it.
No. This you treat this as invalid statements. This particular page 44.
This will be a statement under 162.
This will be. You have not registered an FIR.
Yes, I have registered a FIR.
On page 33, where have you done that?
Page 33. Please consider what does
you are conducting an inquiry, not an investigation.
Page 33 alleges physical assault. Case is registered under this.
No. Have you done that?
Yes.
Where?
Milord, first is Milord case number. Ask the university to provide the details of these students.
So you can record.
Yes, once it comes, we'll definitely take steps.
No, but then instead of that, when one single person is available over there, you are conducting an inquiry whether the students of JU, whatever they have come over there. Once the injured is admittedly a student of JU according to different FIRs.
Yes.
If we go through the different FIRs, we need not travel beyond that. The name is surfacing over this particular injured's name is surfacing in the different FIRs.
Yes.
So injured statement, why don't you treat that as FIR and this to be a subsequent? You take this as statement. I have got nothing to say.
Yes, we'll do that. We have nothing to hide over here.
And
things are made, Milord, in a different way.
And I don't.
I wish, Milord. I wish, Milord. I show your Lordship, Milord, the CCTV footages.
Without CCTV footages also,
Yes.
If I go through the nature of the accusations, if I take an average of the nature of the accusations also, if constitutional authorities are handled in such manner, irrespective of who is.
Look into the
I am not
WhatsApp chats of the previous evening.
But the other part has also to be taken into account.
Yes.
Whether there was intelligence failure or not, sir. If there was intelligence failure, that is also to be taken into consideration. You provide PSOs.
Would your Lordship like to look into one thing?
What were the preventive measures taken?
Preventive measures were taken where gate number 4 and 5, Milord, were the gates from where, Milord, the minister was to enter.
That is for the there is a security lapse over here.
No, I cannot enter the police university campus. Police is prevented from entering that. No. Please don't mislead the court.
No, then you should
My
have.
lord, we do not have the permission.
Have you communicated this to the minister concerned?
My lord, we are.
That
I'll tell you, lordship. I'll tell you, lordship, my lord. We had deployed our force, but
No,
these
but-
were all outside. I cannot enter unless the university permits.
very good. But that an incident is supposed to happen, was it communicated to the minister and the minister defied that and that
No,
zone?
no, that I don't have any instruction. That I don't have any instruction.
This is where the
Yes,
issue
yes.
comes up,
No,
sir.
no, no. Please permit me to say this, my lord. My lord, if an incident has happened today, my lord, the persons are before this court with the contention that I have lodged a complaint. It has not been registered. Let us, my lord, confine ourselves to this case. Now, the complaint does not disclose the particulars of the persons who are lodging the complaint. May or may not be. What can I do? First thing, my lord, I have to do is to ascertain the particulars of this
All right,
person.
you go with that one. The second, treat this to be an FIR, sir.
Page 44.
Page 44 to
Very
be
well.
an FIR and proceed with the
Yes.
43 injured statement is enough, sir.
Statement this.
Of the case,
Yes.
because I have got to take this into account. One cannot take the oath of an office. Mr. Dotto,
Yes, sir.
I am telling you one thing. Police officers or the intelligence agencies, it is their duty to inform the constitutional authorities.
Definitely.
Huh? Once they defy that, I understand there is defiance. Huh? Then I will leave aside everything. But if there has been a defiance, and this is not the way a civil society works, sir.
Right. Yes, yes. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Number one. Number two is that the consequence was that, so far as the other case is concerned, regarding you have restricted that to rash and negligent driving only. That is also to be taken into consideration, sir.
Well, all these sections, my lord, are there, but in different FIRs.
But so far these are from one-sided, sir. This is what I am on.
Yes, that
You
is
see, from one perspective,
right.
state has to behave as a state.
Yes, 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 yes.
Huh.
Yes.
44, you take this and start a case immediately.
Very well. But I don't think my 44 has much materials in it, but I'll go with 44.
Investigation.
Yes, yes, I'll go with 44.
44 is to be.
Yes. Yes.
FIR
I will go with 44.
doesn't require materials, sir.
But if
FIR doesn't require materials.
yes.
But the attitude shown by the
We'll see to that to the next stage, sir.
Mm,
I'll
mm.
give them some time to investigate the
Yes,
case. Let them come up after 1 month with everything. If you
But
want to,
when the situation is such, the injured has refused to give statement. DHA, but finally did not sign it. So what is the use of it?
Sign. Sign.
sir, you as a state, you behave like a guardian, sir. I'll just-
make these statements.
No, 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 no. There is no dictation. Milord, if dictation is Milord brought in, then Milord, I need to Milord take your lordship through the entire
Sir,
gamut of the
I'm two things I'm very much bothered about. One is that, you see, one is that whether there was intelligence failure. Two is that whether, in spite of the intelligence agencies informing the constitutional authority defied that and pursued his activities that is entitled. Now, henceforth, everything must be in written communication, sir. Because I don't want this to be an example in the rest of West Bengal. Because coming to the close vicinity, you designate a cabinet minister under some category of security, X, Y, Y1, whatever it is. I don't want that in that close vicinity, there would be a cluster parallelly as it is happening to the neighboring country. I don't want that, sir. There must be a difference between agitations will be there, sir.
Has to be.
Agitation is
Yeah,
not that
agitations
under
will
the
be.
garb,
Yes.
but under the garb of agitation, coming to the close proximity of the constitutional authority and physically manhandling,
Right, right.
that is also very.
But the person who has been arrested is not a student.
See, that
Yes,
is what
yes.
these are all matters.
The person who has been Milord kindly.
Mr.
Yes.
Dotto,
But
two
there are so many
parts.
things I cannot say in open court.
two parts. Two parts. I am dividing the case. The counter version till date has not come to the state. Mr. Bhattacharya's version is a counter version of the student's concern. So that has not come till date and has not surfaced. Even if the accident case has been registered, even the case of accident has been registered, the counter version should be investigated.
Definitely.
Huh?
Definitely.
Number one. So you register this case, sir.
Page
Should I pass
44
a
we register.
should I pass a direction?
No, no, not required. We'll send an email today. We'll send an email.
I would appeal to you to pass a direction. The police will
Not required, not required.
do so. When I tell Mr. Kato, Mr. Kato will hear.
We'll come back day after tomorrow. Your
They are
lordship
with
will,
me. They
consider
are
the.
without making random arrest, forcing the students to make statements.
How many has
No,
been
no.
arrested?
As of
Only
now,
one arrest.
The one who has been arrested was now the person now. The allegation that he has burnt the house owner says my house is there. Where is burning?
No, no, let him put on record. Let him put on record. I'll counter it. Maybe, but I cannot counter Milord these statements. It has to be put on record. I'll
Mr.
counter it.
Bhattacharya, for the time being,
Let
what
the
I
FIR be
that
registered.
this FIR be
Let us
Yes,
see the
I'll come back Milord day after tomorrow.
and with all I will
না ঠিক আছে
You have kindly pass this direction.
কিছু দরকার নেই আমি kindly take it up tomorrow.
I am just recording that the learned advocate general says that the email of Indranuj Rai would be acted upon immediately.
Very good, very good. ঠিক আছে
For the timing, let us proceed with the counter version. Number two is that Mr. Dotto, you make a comprehensive report, sir. I am very much worried about this. I don't want this will spread like an epidemic throughout West Bengal, sir. Crowd management will be a problem, sir.
right, right.
No. This is like a epidemic. I
No, no,
understand.
I quite appreciate. I quite
This is like you declare somebody as a X, Y, whatever category as security. So there must be a distance between the arrest of the person,
no, no.
and if there is defiance of the constitutional authority or the person who is under security, that must be recorded. Otherwise, it will be onus of the security agencies
Right.
concerned. This I'm making it very clear.
There
This
can be a low
indiscipline-
moral on this. There
This
can be no moral.
indiscipline, if it spreads throughout West Bengal, I'm telling you, this would be very damaging for, I mean, reintroducing the discipline amongst the citizens.